Hey guys, it's Carlos from the HID factory, and today we're showing you one of our how-to videos on adjustment on our new THF CREE Elite LEDs. So as you can see against the wall, we have on the left, on the driver's side, we have a clear hotspot. On the right, you have to adjust that lens. It's a scattered light, and in this video, we'll show you how to do that. So first thing you do, we've already removed the grill from the car. We have access to the light. So again, once you do the installation, we remove the headlight to access the low beam bulb. And on this one, you just remove the grommet and rotate the bulb. There's a ball bearing in there. It'll latch onto each different angles. So you put it up against the wall and you go ahead and rotate until you find the sweet spot. So right there, we got the hot spot. We have a straight line. We go ahead and reinsert the bulb, reinsert the grommet, and insert the light. Again, guys, if for whatever reason you're not getting the light that you see a scattered light, anything, these are easy fixes. You can just look it up on our how-to page, how to adjust my lens, and we also have this for HID, LED, any bulbs we sell here. And yeah, any other questions, guys? Look through our forums, check us out online at thehidfactory.com.